In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build an online store with Wix, even if you're a complete beginner. Wix makes it incredibly easy to launch a professional-looking online store without any coding, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add Wix stores, manage products, and set up your inventory the right way. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. All right, let's jump straight in. First, open your browser and head over to Wix Studio. Once you're logged in, open the site you want to turn into an online store. Wix Studio is where you manage your site design, apps, and all of your business features in one place, so this is where everything starts. After your site loads inside Wix Studio, look to the left-hand side menu and click on the App Market. The App Market is where Wix lets you add extra functionality to your website, including e-commerce, bookings, blogs, and more. Inside the App Market, go to the search bar and type in Wix Stores. This is Wix's official e-commerce app, and it's designed to handle products, payments, inventory, and orders, all in one system. Once you see Wix Stores in the results, click on it to open the app details. Here you'll see an overview of what the app includes, like product pages, shopping carts, and checkout functionality. Next, click on the Add button. This will install Wix Stores directly into your site. After adding it, Wix will automatically create essential store pages like a product page, cart page, and checkout page, saving you a lot of setup time. Now that Wix Stores is installed, it's time to start organizing your shop. From your Wix dashboard, click on Manage Categories. Categories help you group similar products together, making it easier for customers to browse your store and find what they're looking for. After that, click on Products. This is where you'll add new items to sell in your store. From here, you can upload product images, write descriptions, set prices, and configure options like sizes or colors if needed. Next, click on Inventory. The Inventory section lets you track stock levels for each product, so you always know what's available and what's running low. This is especially important if you're selling physical products and want to avoid overselling. From here, you can adjust quantities, manage stock for different variants, and keep your store organized as it grows. Once your products and inventory are set up, you're well on your way to running a fully functional online store with Wix. Before you publish, take some time to preview your site, test the cart, and make sure everything looks and works the way you want. When you're happy with it, hit Publish, and your online store will be live and ready for customers. And that's it. You've just learned how to build an online store with Wix step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and online business guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.